Ground floor.
I'm back at the First Avenue Zone flats for the 5th time, and it's random lift so at time. Now, it's like I've always done. Let's do the same walking scene like has been always done whenever the random lift tours around the First Avenue Zone flats.
Okay. So, looks like I'm going back to First Avenue. Let's see what I could get this time. Now I say summer is almost here, and look, and people are just heading down to have a walk or even work. Now, fuck it. Una tienda de vapeo.
No, una tienda de vapeo es lo que había.
No.
Hombre, había una tienda de vapeo y estaba cerrada.
No.
Hombre,
No hay
que la vayan a abrir nueva otra vez, no lo sé.
Forget it. I'm going anywhere.
Trajo como nos robó. ¿Cuál es el también que verdad? Este.
Much further. Hell yeah, boy! Oh, I like the smell.
That yeah boy is an answer and a hint to the first lift, exactly at 23 First and Me Avenue. This used to be a really nice old 80s fishing. In the 2000s, this had its cab refurbished. Now, in 2019, the lift was replaced with a modern fishing club Synergy, and in 2019, of course, and it no longer has any of these swing doors. It also has Evolution 300 fixtures, and as of now, this lift could probably have been turned into an MRL, meaning that the motorroom could now be derelict.
Yeah. Oh, it's a new fishing club. Very nice. No? It's nice. She just got to remove nearly sleeved. Oh, and the other things there liked it. It's quite nice. Stairs. Right. This is a nice cab.
Pero serás así.
Now into the first lift. There's a really nice obvious in the lift in building 20. Really, this is one of the best things that I forgive ever in the world.
Abierto y lo que no es nada. Con el papá ya hace mucho tiempo que no te lleva. Pues conmigo igual. A ver qué es lo que hace aquí dentro del ascensor. La idea se pone a sudar y se pone mal y todo. Esto igual, mira tú cómo va. Hace mucho calor ya. A ver qué tienes. Mira.
Yeah, it is true.
Yeah, it seems that this building is getting refurbished finally after several years. It's finally getting refurbished after several fucking years. It's like they did the right thing. Están reformando. ¿No? Están en reforma.
Pues, porque no están bajando ya. Cuando lo bajen bajo,
Alright. We'll come back one day. Finally, they did the right thing to refurbish the whole 17th Avenue. They just finally did the right. And what's best for accessibility. $11. I still can't believe that it aged well. That it kind of aged a few months of how I filmed it is the fab building anyway. It did age very fucking well. Like that guy bringing out keys. Many times.
Va a subir más y más. Pero este pago va a subir. A trabajar. Y hacen patinete, cabrón. Barata.
And now, let's retake the list 1 Netherlands Square. This time I should have got A wing, but instead I was just dumbass and got B wing instead.
Es que los oyes así como si vos. Tío, hay que ver todo el historial que has trabajado, lo que has hecho.
Yo me hago mi comida. Got to be nice. Here's the lift there. Some nice first. Wow, that's right. So what does it look like? The new building, 1976. Hey, where is his house? What's that house? We are going up to the first floor. We are going here or here. Oh wow. Because you go to the door too. And we was in the middle of property.
Sí, antes la vive en el
Let's get
primero.
back down.
Si la llamo porque te abriera la puerta.
It's only for
Ya
that.
estará comiendo que se va a trabajar.
The sun is very, very horrible. Killing.
Graba, sube y baja. Y ya está, pero y como ahora, antes tenía que yo ver. Y se ya siéntate en el banco si estás cansada. Y ya dicho, vale, me siento en el banco y veo que está hablando con gente y no le digo.
¡Oh, ya la hora, mis cojones, ya la hora!
La gente es muy tolerante, pero cuando no le toca a ella, ¿sabes? Luego,
Sí, cuando no le tocan los problemas a
claro,
uno.
luego, joder, hay que tener un poco de empatía.
Yo como mucho que le digo, no, hace calor, es verano. Ya haya una vuelta por aquí, ya haya una vuelta por Sevilla, ya haya una vuelta por Pedrones. Tiene 16 años y el que vive con nosotros, con su padre, con su madre y con nosotros. Si tu madre quiere que se abra, que se abra.
And now, it is something that I got somewhere with my dad. That this was in a weekend, but before going to the mirror camping with some friends of mine, of course. And however, I've wanted to come on Alpha. I got a bit bored in there, so look what I found. Something interesting at last. Rather than it's not a lift. Look at this. It's a portable kitchen. Wow. Let's take a look at it. This portable kitchen works like this. If it's enclosed, and I guess the fire won't come out, and if it's open, then it would be. This is like the typical in your own house. But however, if you spin the wheel, it will click. If it is sadly on, then that means the fire is on and it clicks. And here's some standard gas fires, which aren't really that interesting. And now, we left Eklon and we were going to go to Carrefour for some grocery shopping. It's some in this quite boring shopping center, which only has one floor. I mean, it was my childhood shopping center, but somehow I got bored of it. after this absolutely no reason here. I mean, it's like a bit it's like the colourful bit of a shopping centre. So yeah. But still somehow I got bored of it because it's been refurbished a bit. I liked it how it was. And anyways, look what I just found. In some cafe there's 2 gambling machines. The right one is some type of gambling machine from the 2000s. Which at that time, gambling machines didn't even have screens. Wow, that is kind of weird. Isn't it? I mean, so these were the typical 2000s gambling machines, so yeah, they didn't have screens at that time. This shopping centre is really boring. There's absolutely nothing fun about this shopping centre. I mean, it doesn't have the same shops that a typical shopping centre would even have. And in some shop that sells phones, I found some rings. Oh well, in the shop the copyright to music was very long. There's even one ring is lighting white, but the other ring is RGB lighting. Wow, this ring is a lot nice. I mean, this RGB lighting keeps spinning whilst the ring lighting is on. I mean, this is really nice. This shop is quite boring, though there might be some fun shops after all. Before this video ends, I'd like to discuss something. I mean, working and filming Cerberus in Valencia episode 12. I mean, it's gonna be wrong, but it's gone as far worse than 6. I mean, after what happened in 28 Tomás de Villarreal Street, yeah. It was such a shame. So that's the context of why they're gonna be wrong is added in the title of this video. Now, anyways, I'm gonna sign off for now. The only thing is that I hope you enjoyed this video for now.